Okay, so this video is going to be all about how to embed your Google Slides presentation into Blogger. So this is you can see in front of us, this is the shared presentation that you all did in class, but obviously what you need to do is to embed your own individual magazine textual analysis presentations into your own blog. So the first step, what we need to do is to go to File and go to Publish to Web. Now you've got two tabs here, Link and Embed. If you click on Embed and click Publish, it'll give you, are you sure you want to publish? Click OK. And what it'll do, it gives you a code, so you need to copy that that code. Okay, and then go to Blogger. So the last video told you how to create new posts, so exact same thing. Click New Post. Okay, post title. Now we're calling this Magazine Textual Analysis. Okay. Next step, a little bit tricky. There's two different views in Blogger. You've got the Compose view, which we talked about last lesson, and then there's the HTML. HTML is basically the code that the website needs. It sounds complicated, but it's not really. You paste in that code, what you got from your slides presentation, and if you go to Preview, it will embed in, but obviously there's something not quite right about this. It's too big, okay, it's overlapping, so we need to change that. So I'm going to shut down this preview, note to preview, because it's there in the left hand window. Okay, now in the HTML view you can see this long sort of complicated bit of writing here. What you need to focus on is this bit of information here, width and height. Now this is telling Blogger how many pixels width wise and how many pixels height wise in terms of how it displays. Just double click on width and type in 500 and do the exact same thing for height. Okay, now these could appear anywhere, you've just got to find width and height. Let's go to Preview, and there we go, nice and neat. Okay, shut that down. You can click Publish if you want, but before you do that I just want to show you something else, and this is what everybody needs to do. Okay, I'm just trying to, there we go, go to the top. Now I don't want to see any posts, any student posts without an introduction before. I don't just want to see presentations embedded in Blogger. I want you to write an introductory post that just explains what the presentation is about. So in this presentation I have analysed a number of front covers and content pages. Obviously give more detail, and we'll talk about this in lesson. Talk about the genre of magazine, perhaps the layout conventions that you've looked at, the key terminology that you'll be talking about. But every post that you publish in your blog needs to have an introduction. Okay, that is it. When you're happy with that, click Publish. Again, ignore that, cancel that, and now you can see we've got as two posts, our introduction and our magazine textual analysis, and that's it. Thanks.